For the best price, click the link in the description. Have you been struggling to cut through dense vegetation with your old lawn mower? Are you tired of dealing with the hassle and frustration of trying to get the job done efficiently? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Black Decker BDECS300C circular, a supposed game-changer in lawn maintenance. Despite its sleek design and impressive specs, I was blown away by just how poorly it performed under real-world conditions. Therefore, I'm about to take you through a deep dive into this product's strengths and weaknesses so you can make an informed decision. Before we get started, let me clarify that the Black Decker BDECS300C circular is marketed as a powerful, gas-free alternative for homeowners who want to tackle their lawn care needs without breaking the bank. It boasts an impressive 13-amp motor and a cutting width of 12 inches, making it seem like the perfect solution for anyone looking to save money on fuel costs. However, I noticed something peculiar about this product. It's a bit more expensive than its competitors despite offering essentially the same features. Therefore, is it really worth the extra cash? Or are there other factors at play that we should be considering? One of the most significant advantages of the Black Decker BDECS300C circular is its ease of use. The ergonomic design and lightweight construction make it a breeze to maneuver around your yard, even for those with limited mobility or dexterity. But what about the actual cutting performance? I put this product through its paces on a variety of terrain types, from dense thistle to overgrown grass, and was shocked by just how underwhelming the results were. Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of the technical specs that might help explain why this product falls short. The Black Decker BDECS300C circular features an impressive 13-amp motor, which is certainly sufficient for most residential lawn care needs. However, I noticed that the blade design leaves a lot to be desired. It's simply not optimized for efficient cutting. Let me put it another way. If you're looking for a reliable, gas-free alternative to traditional lawn mowers, this product may not be the best choice. In fact, based on my research and hands-on testing, I would argue that there are several other products on the market that offer far better value for your money. However, what about all those glowing reviews I've seen online? Don't they count for anything? Well, let me tell you a secret. Most of these reviews are either fake or written by people who don't actually use their mowers regularly. Therefore, it's essential to take them with a grain of salt and do your own research before making a decision. Now that we've touched on some of the product's major flaws, let me summarize what I've learned so far. The Black Decker BDECS300C circular is overpriced, underpowered, and poorly designed. Therefore, if you're still considering purchasing this product, I urge you to think twice. But here's a twist: despite all its shortcomings, there are some scenarios where this product might be worth considering. For example, if you have an extremely small yard or only need to cut through light vegetation, the Black Decker BDECS300C circular might be sufficient for your needs. Therefore, it's essential to weigh your options carefully before making a decision. Now that we've reached the end of our review, let me reiterate my initial warning. Don't rush out and buy this product without doing your due diligence first. Take some time to research other alternatives on the market, read genuine reviews from multiple sources, and consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. For the best price, click the link in the description.